Hi, I'm Inu Sensei. Today's video is about one thing, making sure you don't waste your time in Japan. Reservation required? Ticket only? Already closed? These phrases will save you every single time. Let's go. In this video, you'll learn essential shop phrases like is required, open, closed for preparation, business hours, regular close days, and why shops close during Obon even though it's not an official holiday. First, yoyaku ga hitsuyo desu ka? Is a reservation required? You walked 30 minutes to that famous ramen shop. You finally get to the front of the line and then, sorry, reservation only. Sound familiar? One question fixes everything.
予約が必要ですか?
Second, chiketto ga hitsuyo desu ka? Is a ticket required? Use this at museums, temples, and gardens before joining any queue. Japan has free entry shrines and paid attractions sitting side by side. Always check before you line up.
チケットが必要ですか?
Third, pasaporto ga hitsuyo desu ka? Is a passport required? You'll need this at hotel check-ins, some duty-free shops, and official facilities. Always good to check.
パスポートが必要ですか?
See the pattern? Reservation, ticket, passport all follow the same formula. Plus, ga hitsuyo desu ka? Once you know it, you can ask about anything. Next, is it even open right now? The quickest check, you can just look for the sign. In Japan, eigyo-chu means open. Junbi-chu means not yet open. Teikyobi means closed for the day. Eigyo-jikan means opening hours. Knowing these three signs saves you from having to ask. Final warning, and this one is important if you're visiting in August. Mid-August is Obon. It's not a national holiday, but most companies, shops, and restaurants close for about a week, usually August 13th to 16th. It's a traditional Buddhist period when Japanese people return to their hometowns to honor their ancestors. Planning around this and you'll have a much smoother trip. That's it.
"予約が必要ですか?"
チケットが必要ですか? パスポートが必要ですか?
eigyo-chu Junbi-chu Teikyobi Eigyo-jikan. What are you most worried about when planning a trip to Japan? Comment below and subscribe for more survival Japanese.